guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum is doing today. So, I like to start as the weekly chart. So if you look at the weekly chart, this candle right here, it's called an evening star. An evening star means bearish for the time being. And look, it was just boom, boom, boom. In that little flash crash that we had yesterday, we went all the way back to like about 3,300. Now we're pulling back, which is good. Now, how did I came up with this fibs? Well, these fibs are kind of old. I hate to say it, but I'm not an Ethereum guy, and to me this is just crazy how expensive Ethereum is, and I think there's a lot better stuff out there. But all I did was just use the high from August 30th to the bottom of September 20th, and that's how I came up with this fibs, which it gave us where the top was, the 161% retracement, so 48.40, and look, right in the money. We hit that, boom, and then we started going lower. So that being said, let's take a look at the daily chart and see what the daily chart is telling us. If I use those fibs, I mean, they're good, but let's just change this a little bit. So if I do the fib extension, so I'm going to use November 8th to November 26th to, what day is this? December 1st. So if I use that fib extension, looking at the daily chart, you know, this looks like a double top to me. I mean, left, right, here's your neckline. If you take a double top, measure from the neckline to the head, that puts us all the way down to about 3,100. And it looks like we might be drifting lower. If it does that, then we're going to hit the 200-day moving average and this 161% retracement. I mean, Ethereum didn't crash as bad as some of the other pairs, some of the other coins, but it looks like we might have a pullback. So if you're thinking about buying, it'll be questionable. I would, on the other hand, buy some. Like I said, I'm not an Ethereum guy, so I won't buy any. You know, if we go there, let's draw some trend lines, see if they tell us anything. So basically, it's kind of like your line in the sand, right there, this trend line. Let's see if we can match it here. No, it's just too crappy. Right there. If we break below this trend line, definitely I wouldn't be buying until we hit 32 or get some sort of confirmation. For me to get out of this bearish look, I have to be above the 20-day in the 50-day moving average before I consider anything. And definitely I would like to see a break of this high. So basically about 5 grand. Because if you go in here, let's say, you know, we get a nice bullish candle and it goes all the way to like 44 or 40. So boom, and then you get in. So if you measure your risk to reward, so your risk, so let's just say you go in here, and then you're so close. I mean, I'll probably retest it high, but look, it's just really crappy. 2.68. I mean, this is the kind of risk to reward that you're looking at when you're trading forex or stocks or anything like that. I mean, everyone is different, but when I was doing forex, for the hedge fund, my risk to reward, it was 3.5 to 1 always. If not, I hardly ever took a position that wasn't that. In crypto, this is too low, so you'll be so close and you can get stop out, in just 1 second. Because if this is like, it goes all the way to 4,700 and pulls back, it's gonna be nasty pullback for the time being. So for right now, Ethereum, I would stand aside. I would like to see more confirmation, preferably after 5 grand. I think that there's better pairs out there where you can make more money than here. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.